So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign we go about looking at how we can use stopwatch on an iPhone. Now, I'm using the iPhone 11 here, but the steps that I demonstrate should remain more or less same for all versions of iPhone. Now quite obviously, since we are talking of stopwatch, we need to enter towards the clock application. So open up the clock application here. You will see that there are different options inside the clock. Right at the bottom you will see there is world clock, there's alarm, there is stopwatch, there is timer. Now since I want to demonstrate the usage of stopwatch, I need to tap on stopwatch. Now you can see the timer, like one would expect, is fixed at 0, and you can at any point of time start the timer. So like how we use the timer for different purposes. So if you want to record something, just tap on start and there you go, it's starting. Now you can very easily again put a stop to this. There you go, you can reset the timer from here, and again you can monitor the lap time from here. You can start the timer, you can stop the timer as well. Clock graphical representation would be on the second dot, and you can see that the timer here is almost 5 seconds, 5.35 seconds. So you can have either representations. So you can see it run here as well, and you can go back to the normal way of representation. You can stop this, you can reset it, you can start this, so you can do whatever you want. I really think this is fantastic. I mean, having the timer on your phone can really make life much simpler when you need to have the timer for different reasons. So guys, this is like what I wanted to demonstrate today. So in case this helps, and in case you think this will benefit your course of events, kindly consider subscribing and please do share this with your friends and family. Also, if you have a smartphone and if you want to know about a feature or if some bug is troubling you, do keep us informed. We would want to invest in the smartphone that you have and spend some time researching on solutions so that it helps you and eventually the wider community at large. So guys, that's all. It's me, Amlan, signing off. Hope you have a great day and a fantabulous weekend. Thank you.